Welcome to the enCore Guards impression tutorial. In the next 3 minutes, we'll show you how to make your own dental impression. Make sure to follow each step carefully in order to make an accurate impression. In your enCore impression kit, you'll find 2 sets of impression putty, labeled A and B, upper and lower impression trays in 3 sizes each, an order form, and a prepaid envelope to return your impression toolbox. Before you start, make sure to brush your teeth and wash your hands. First, try the different trays in your mouth and see which one fits best. All your teeth should fit inside the tray. Your teeth should rest between and not make any contact with the upright walls of the tray. If your teeth touch the outer wall, then size up. If your teeth touch the inner wall, then size down. Remember, this is how your teeth should align in the tray. Once you have the right tray, move on to the putty mixing step. This step must be done in less than a minute. First, remove putty A and putty B from their containers. Mix them in a kneading motion with your fingers and palms until you see a uniform color. There should be no white streaks or marbling. When the 2 putties are a uniform color, roll the putty into a hot dog shape. Place and distribute the putty throughout the arc of the tray. Make sure it is evenly distributed across the arc of the tray. Insert into your mouth, making sure that the tray is aligned with your teeth. Using your thumbs and fingers, push the entire tray into your teeth in a single smooth motion. Make sure to apply pressure to the very back of the tray in order to fully capture your molars. Sit tight for 3 minutes. Once the putty has hardened, gently rock the impression tray loose from your teeth and remove it from your mouth. Rinse the impression with cold water and allow to air dry. Then, take a few photos of the impression and send it to us at enCore Guards for a quick review. If we see an issue with the impression, we'll send you a new kit immediately. Once we've approved your impression, place it in a prepaid return mailer and send it back to us with your completed order form. You should then receive your guard in 10 to 14 days.